Namaskar, you're listening to Dr. Debopriyo Mondal, Cardiologist from Kolkata. Today, the doctor will share simple and effective tips to keep your heart healthy. Doctor, why is heart health such an important topic today?
So I think in today's era, we are always talking about the most important factor that is keeping your heart healthy, because as we all know, there's a lot of cases of heart disease even in the younger people. The lifestyle factors like stress, poor diet, lack of exercise do actually play a lot of role. And obviously, if we talk about diseases, we definitely are going to talk about the prevention. And if we prevent diseases, we are going to prevent a lot of complications. So that is why we are talking about heart health in such an important manner these days.
Doctor, what are the top 3 daily habits for a healthy heart?
So if you ask me the top 3 daily habits, I'll always say you eat well. Eat well basically means that you eat balanced, proportional diet. You need not cut down on everything, but then you have to be vigilant on the portions of your meal and the kind and quantity of the food. Having a good balance between proteins, fats and carbohydrates, and avoiding the junk food as we all know about it. And then obviously you increase the intake of fruits and vegetables. What I say to my patients is at least 2 days in a week you stay vegetarian, 5 days you can actually have non-vegetarian, but it's all up to the patient. 30 minutes of physical activity at least 5 times a week, and include aerobics a lot. And obviously, last but not the least, you have to avoid smoking and alcohol. That's very, very important.
Doctor, how much does stress really affect our heart?
So, if you ask me about the role of stress on our cardiovascular system, we all know that stress actually takes a lot of toll because it damages the blood vessels, specifically the inner lining of the blood vessels, which is the most important aspect of our cardiovascular system. And it leads to an increase in the blood pressure as well as the heart rate. Long-term stress can actually damage the arteries to such an extent which can lead to ischemic heart disease, or rather we can say coronary artery disease. And obviously if you have to get rid of the stress, simple relaxation like deep breathing exercises, getting involved in activities apart from your professional activity in a positive manner will go a long way. Even small walks, small talks with your peers and colleagues and friends apart from your daily routine life will definitely help de-stressing you in a very much lucid manner.
Doctor, many of us sit at desks all day. What can working professionals do?
So what I suggest to my patients is you can take small breaks in between. You can stand for 10 minutes if you're sitting for 1 hour or so, and take the stairs occasionally. If you have your hospital or your premises which has stairs, you can take the stairs occasionally. Climb them with moderate speed. You need not climb them very fast, but then keep it a habit to climb the stairs every now and then. Get up from your walk. Take small breaks in between your walk. Obviously, choose your diet very appropriately. You have to choose your diet so much so that to the extent that you do not intake more of carbohydrates, which can lead to a lot of diseases on the later part of life.
Doctor, can you share quick diet tips for heart health?
So what I usually say is reduce the intake of salt and sugar. So what salt does is it increases the blood pressure. Sugar, obviously, we know the diabetic complications. Prefer home-cooked meals or fast food. So if you're in an office or you're working day, you do not have time to have proper food, choose homely food over your fast food, and definitely add nuts. So between nuts, there are different kinds of nuts. We can have a whole lot of discussion, but then choose nuts, whole grains, and lean proteins in your diet. We are deficient in our proteins in most of the times of the day. So choose your meals intelligent manner, put proteins in between, take nuts, legumes, fruits and vegetables a lot.
That was Dr. Debopriyo Mondal with important guidance on heart health. Take care of your heart and stay well. This message is brought to you in public interest by Ipca Laboratories.